Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanty Fierce, and today I'm going to be showing you how to recreate this look using my two Ace Beauty palettes, Scarlet Dusk and Vintage Dawn. I've already gone ahead and primed this eye with my e.l.f. eyeshadow primer, so we can get right into it. Starting off with Vintage Dawn, I'm going to pick up Daybreak, and I'm going to begin by putting that in my crease and blending it up in circular motions towards my eyebrow. The yellow is not going to stand out much, but it's going to add some nice definition to the top here. You can already see the yellow just kind of peeks through a little bit. Once again, grabbing my Vintage Dawn palette, I'm picking up Horizon. I'm going to start off in the crease again, but not go up as high so that Daybreak still peeks through. We're done with Vintage Dawn for now. Picking up the Scarlet Dusk palette, I'm going to grab Crimson. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eyelid and up into the crease. And then I'm going to bring it across the crease just a little bit. And I'm going to put the rest on the inner corner here. Now I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit in the center with my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, and I'm just placing that in an arch above my pupil, my iris, I guess. Now using a Q-tip and some makeup remover, I'm just going to get rid of all the shadow that fell into the center here. And then I'm also going to go and get rid of that concealer that I placed. And then I'm just gonna take a little bit of primer again because we wiped it away. Just the tiniest amount. I'm gonna pat that out with my finger. I'm just patting it over the place where I removed all that makeup. Then with my finger, I'm gonna be picking up Hibiscus and I'm gonna pat that across the area that I just removed all that shadow from and just build up the shimmer on the center of my eye. Then from the Vintage Dawn palette, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit of this color here, Sun, and I'm gonna pat that just in the center, close to my pupil. Now, for the under eye, I'm gonna start with a little bit of Horizon, which was that lighter orange that we used just after Daybreak. I'm going to blend that out by sweeping it underneath my lash line and just bringing it down a little bit. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Pyramid with a flat brush and I'm going to bring that along my lower line and just a little bit in the corner here. And then I'm going to pick up Fade and I'm going to take that in the corner close to my lash line, trying to tight line as much as possible. But I'm not going all the way across. I'm just going to come to the other side and tight line on my eyelid. Just in the corners. This is so that when I put my false eyelashes on, it's going to look a little bit more seamless. Now just picking up my NYX Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow in the color Finished Polyp. Oh man, Polished Pinup. Just going to take it in the corner here of my eye. I'm going to bring it down a little bit lower too. And I'm going to pat that out with my finger. Now, before we apply lashes and mascara, we have to finish the rest of the look. So starting with foundation, I'm going to use the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage. I feel like orange is just such a summery color. And fall. It's a fall color too. But a bright orange like this feels more like summer to me. I don't know. And now I'm going to be using my concealer, which is currently the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have seen so many YouTubers use this and swear by it. So I bought the sample size when I was making my last Sephora purchase. I was going to wait until I finished with the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear, but you know, that bottle is endless, and I've really been wanting to try this, and I didn't want it to expire or anything like that. So we're gonna set that concealer with the Ciate Coconut Setting Powder. And while that sets, I'm just gonna do my eyebrows. I recently had someone reach out to me and ask if I was going to do a eyebrow tutorial I don't know, is that something you guys would be interested in? Let me know in the comments below what you think. So going into my Tarteist Pro Glow palette, I'm going to pick up the bronzer Fire. I'm gonna start that along my hairline. Oh, this can come off now. I love that feeling. Now, before we go any further, I'm gonna put lash glue on my lashes. And yes, I'm still using the Morphe Obsessions. You know what? I clean them like every 2 weeks, so I feel like it's still sanitary and they haven't fallen apart yet. Now, I feel like this calls for like a bit of a brownie red blush. So I'm going into my Morphe 25D. I'm gonna go with this bad boy right here. Now, I've really been feeling my Too Faced Diamond Fire highlighter lately, so that's what I'm gonna put on today. Now the eyelashes. And while that sets, I'll just do my lips. So my friend just gave me the Milani Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the color Rosewood, and I kind of want to try that today. I think it'll really go with the look. So first I'm just gonna go in with my Bodyography Rosewood lip pencil. What are the chances the lip pencil I have is the same name as the freaking lip gloss I'm gonna use? This was not planned, but it should have been. Then I'm just gonna take the Morphe matte lipstick in the color Wifey. Ooh, I really like this color. It looks nice. No tingling yet. Oh, tingling in the corners. So I'm just gonna do my mascara off camera and then I'll be right back to wrap this up. Ta-da! I look like I have bottom lashes again. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look. This is honestly one of the first times I've done a completely orange look. I really love it, so I hope you guys do too. So let me know what you think of the look, and also let me know what color you think I should do next. I've done green, I've done pink, now orange, I've done yellow too. Also, while you're here, don't forget to give my video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Take it easy. Love this color, it's so lemony. Now using a Q-tip and some, now just grabbing my NYX glitter. And now I'm going to be using my Easy Fix. I think it was a mistake taking my headband off too soon. Take it easy.